What's up, everybody? It's your boy Big Papa here. I'm gonna walk you guys through one of my famous egg scrambles using rotisserie chicken. I have a lot of friends out there that have always thrown shade at me for getting these chickens, but I gotta tell you, if you're someone who's trying to live an active lifestyle and stay in relatively good shape, these chickens are amazing to incorporate into your lifestyle and eat well. One of the reasons why I love them so much is because you get that lean protein.
Awesome, I love protein.
They're inexpensive and they're already made. And if you're someone like me who always has something going on, you got a busy schedule, you're working out, you're always on the go. These chickens are an amazing way to stay full. It's nice on your wallet, but at the same time, you get those lean gains. So I'm gonna go over a chicken scramble recipe that you can make in your kitchen. So now we're gonna go over what you're gonna need to make this scramble. Number one, grab yourself a pan, medium-sized pan, because we're gonna have a lot we're gonna throw into this. Number two, you wanna get a lubricant
Slippery.
so the eggs don't stick to the pan. I like using unsaturated fats. Grapeseed oil works very well for me. Olive oils I know is another good option. Also, you can use avocado oil. I try to stay away from the saturated fats like butter. Some people prefer coconut oil. That's something that's really popular nowadays. But to each their own. Usually this is the healthier option. We're gonna throw some veggies in there. We're gonna put some tomatoes, chop up some tomatoes, some onions, chop up some onions. And personally for me, I like my food spicy. So we're gonna throw in a full jalapeno, right? If you're not a big fan of spicy foods, that's okay. You don't have much of a spice tolerance, you could throw in a bell pepper. Just mix it up a little bit. Obviously, we have a scramble, so we're gonna need some eggs, some huevos, all right? Personally, I like to use 3 in my scramble. Reason being, I actually read an article back when I was in college, probably 5-6 years ago now, and they were talking about, for men specifically, so if you're a man watching this, take some good notes. You exercise regularly. The yolk in the egg is a source of a healthy fat, and the yolk in the egg, the cholesterol in there, it's a healthy cholesterol and helps promote testosterone production.
Oh yeah.
Women, you guys don't have balls, so there's no testosterone production there, but you guys do secrete it from your adrenal glands, which is right above your kidneys. And anyways, I'm sidetracking there. That's my biology degree popping in right now. But so I like to use 3 eggs. 3 is usually a good rule of thumb for making a scramble. Get a good source of protein, a healthy amount of fats to start the day. If you're making this for breakfast, which you should be making this for breakfast. So 2 eggs. Well, we're gonna use 3, but I got 2 in my hand. And obviously, we're gonna use the rotisserie chicken, some chicken breast. So let's get started. The oil. Remember, you only want to add just a dab.
Chopping up some onions. Generous amount. It's gonna be a big scramble.
For the gains. Okay. So now if I usually just eyeball everything, some people are very calculated and they like to look at how much is going in. I think eyeballing it is like a good way to just measure it in. Okay, now we want to crack the eggs. I lower the heat down because eggs can cook pretty quick, and I don't want to burn them. So I'm gonna crack some eggs. Boom. This one. That's 2. Un poco de desayuno, chico. That's 3. Get all 3 of them in there. Get a little bit of salt, just a little bit. Shout out Salt Bay. Ooh, just like that. Don't want to do too much. I personally don't like putting a lot of salt in my eggs because they get a lot of salt from other sources like the chicken, and for me, like, that's plenty of flavor. So okay, now that we have the eggs cooking, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the chicken. So I'm gonna cut a little bit of this breast and we're gonna throw it in. So now we're gonna cut some chicken breast. As you can see, it's right there. We're gonna add and shred it up into little pieces, and then we're gonna add it to our scramble. All right, so let's get that going.
Yeah. Yeah. Cut it, 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 cut it. Them bricks is way too high, you need to cut it. Your price is way too high, you need to cut it. Cut it, 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 cut it. Them bricks is way too high, you need to cut it. Your price is way too high.
And now we're just gonna scramble it until it's ready to eat. So let's scramble it up. All right, everyone, the scramble's finished. Let me go ahead and show you what this looks like. So this is the final product. We got the eggs, we got some chicken, we got some tomatoes, we got sliced jalapenos, we got onions, we got a little bit of salt, not too much, with a little bit of pepper. We're gonna go ahead and turn it off. Now we're gonna go ahead and throw it on the plate. Man, look at that. That's just thick. That's just fat. That's just tall. All right, y'all. Well, thanks for joining me on this quick egg and chicken rotisserie chicken scramble recipe. I hope you like this video. If you guys want to see more recipes that I make with my rotisserie chicken, feel free to comment below. Let me know. Shoot me a DM. I'll be more than happy to share a lot of my recipes. Like I said, I love incorporating these chickens into my diet. It's quick. It's simple. These chickens are already cooked. You know, it's real quick. This probably took me like 2-3 minutes actually cooking it, maybe like another minute to prepare it. So very quick with it. As soon as you wake up in the morning, you get something great to eat. You know, it's not heavy at all. It's healthy. It's high in protein, low in carbs. Actually, probably no carbs. And you know, it has healthy fats. So stay tuned. We'll come out and we'll see you on the next one.